Hello and welcome everyone. Today's question is remove duplicates. We have given a string. We have to remove all duplicates, keeping only the first occurrence. So we have given this string. We have to keep the first occurrence and delete all the duplicates. So it is given string only contains lowercase English alphabets. So either we can create 26 length array or we can take a set. So here I am taking a set. Question is pretty self-explanatory. Instead of removing the characters, we will create a new string. Instead of string, we will create string builder because it is faster. So I am taking string builder. It is same as string and we have to iterate into the string. We cannot directly iterate into the string using for each loop. We have to first convert into a character array. So I am converting into character array. So if this current character we have seen before or this is a duplicate, so we will just ignore this character, else we will add this character into our string builder because we want the first occurrence and we have to also add into our set. So set contains the unique values. At the end, we have to return the string builder converting into a string. So that's it. Thank you all for watching this video.